guys.
got a new gun before that.
Yeah. So we're gonna open this. Wow, ammo. Stop. It's mine. I didn't tell you about opening it. The code of the ammo.
I am. Oh look, a yellow one for Peely. For that ammo.
Oh,
Yeah, put it right here.
Okay. How about this one?
Yeah, put that one there.
All the yellow one goes here.
Oh yeah. Wait. Get the.
Get them all out.
Yeah, okay, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, pause the video.
Okay.
Wait. Oh. Okay. I found this one.
And guys, I want to show you that we got a new gun because we subscribed to the gun channel, and we just got a gun. So I think we're a guns channel because we play Fortnite and we sell guns. And tell me your address to give it to you. Okay, we're back. Okay.
Okay. Now, ready for my gun? Okay, guys. Okay, Rihanna, let's go to our bedroom.
Okay.
Leave the gun here, okay?
No, I want to bring the gun.
Fine, bring it. Okay, here's the chest. This is the gun and ammo. Okay, guys, I'm going to go back with the ammo. I don't say it.
Okay, bye. Subscribers will shoot you. I want to shoot the baby. Oh, whoops.
Got the ammo.
The ammo. Remember the baby? We should shoot the baby with this, like this. Hello, take these, you fat babies, you ugly dog.
I need SJ here. I need SJ.
I am at Eshe, bye. Hey!
Hi.
Subscribe to this video if you love Peely. What the hell was that? I hate you, Peely.
Go in here. It's safe. I'm gonna put guns and ammo in here.
Oh, wait. Let's test them out. Let's see if we can put ammo in this gun and see if it works.
And can I swallow the gum?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you swallowed the gum. You keep on. Oh yeah, I have to go drink water. So bye. You can record.
I can't record.
Okay, I was just sending to YouTube.
Anyways, guys, that was just my dumb sister. Wow. They are fat ammo. Okay, let's add on. Let's add it. I take all the ammo out. Okay. So I take all the ammo out. Okay, let's put the new ammos in. Let's see if I can like put them in. Let's take all the new ammos out. I'm going to use any new ammos. Pink. There's just 4, so yeah. Another pink. Okay. You know, okay, and then purple and purple. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's shoot you.
No.
Okay, let's see if this works. That worked! Oh my gosh, it puts 3 out! That's
sick.
Yeah, that's sick. Oh my god.
Let's see if mine works. Ready? Wait. Jesus Christ, just put my leg here.
Did you shoot the baby?
Okay, let's shoot now. I'm gonna shoot. Wait, let me fix it so I can.
Love you, Peter.
Oh my god, please stop burping. Like literally, my sister burped.
No, please.
Okay, ready. Let's shoot Barbie. Let's see if we have good aim. We have good aimbot in Fortnite. Oh! I just shot it! I just shot the girl Barbie's face! I'm a good aimer. That means I have an aimbot in Fortnite. Please, guys, I don't have an aimbot in Fortnite. I don't. Can you get the ammo for me?
Oh yeah. Here. Here's the fat ammo. Fat ammo.
This is like a, yeah, whatever.
I'm going to snipe. Okay, get ready. I'm going to snipe you.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Snap the Barbie doll. And that means you have good aim in Fortnite. That means you're good at Fortnite.
Okay. Ariana, please, I don't want to shoot the Barbie.
No,
Can I shoot in the ground?
no, shoot the Barbie. That means you're good. No, Nicole, no, don't shoot that. Don't shoot that, Nicole. That means you're not good at aiming Fortnite.
Okay.
Shoot the Barbie, because I shoot the Barbie. That means I have good aim in Fortnite. And that means I'm so good at Fortnite.
Okay. I'll
Shoot it, because I got good aim now.
Hang on, it's not letting me press harder. I'm trying to press hard.
Come on.
I'll just look at it as a reaction. I can't. Okay. Oh my god!
Because look, remember? Jesus Christ, can you hold this for me? Let me do it. Thanks.
Fine.
Easy. Strong, mate.
Okay.
I shot the Barbie doll's crown. And it just flew away.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna snipe her head. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1 sec, guys. Oh yeah. Sorry, guys. Just hang on. Oh, let's go! I sniped the head. Sure.
Okay, other one.
Other one. And if I shoot her eyeball, that means I'm good aim. Let me just reload it. Right, shoot her eye. Hang on. My arm hurts. Let me just give it a rest.